the point is ordered pair. Ordered pair means it will follow an order. Okay? Order pair. What order it will follow? That means always the first number is x-axis and the second one is y-axis, and both are included in a bracket. Okay, come again. It is included in a bracket. The first one is x-axis and the second one is y-axis. You should follow always this is the same. That's why it is called ordered pair. Suppose if I write a point P, 2, 3. That means 2 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis you need to take. Suppose I am taking a point C, minus 5, 7. Okay. Now on x-axis it is minus 5, on y-axis it is plus 7. Like that only you should take. It is not based on the positive or negative numbers. Always the first one is x-axis and the second one is y-axis. So the first one x-axis name is called abscissa. Okay, what is that? X-axis, x coordinate. This is called x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 3. Here x coordinate is minus 5, y coordinate is 7. So x coordinate name is abscissa. Y coordinate name is ordinate. Okay, x coordinate name is abscissa. Y coordinate name is ordinate. So this is ordered pair. Okay, we will locate these ordered pairs on a Cartesian plane. Now we are locating the points on the number line. Number line. This is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Horizontal line is named as x-axis and vertical line named as y-axis. The point of intersection of these two lines is origin, denoted by the letter O. Now, if it is 0, then this is positive number line. What is this? Positive number line. And it is negative number line. So, positive number line is named as x-axis and it is denoted by x, OX. OX is positive. OX is positive. Now, O this side is negative, x dash. So, OX dash is negative. So, total x-axis is a horizontal line and it is divided into 3 parts. The middle part is origin and origin to this side, positive side is OX and the negative side is OX dash. Similarly, y-axis 0. This is y-axis and this is y dash axis. Okay, y-axis, y dash axis. Now, if you observe these points, okay, the quadrants. Here, this is positive x-axis and this is positive y-axis. Positive x-axis, positive y-axis. Both are positive. So, this part is completely a positive coordinate plane. Okay, I told you that you need to follow the ordered pair x, y. That means here it is x is positive, y is also positive. That means x values are more than 0, y values are more than 0. When you are taking an ordered pair, both x and y are positive. That means x values are positive, greater than 0. Y values are greater than 0. The point lies in first quadrant. Similarly, in second quadrant, x coordinates are negative. See, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. This is negative axis. And y coordinates are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So this is negative, x is negative, y is positive. That means x values are negative, y values are positive. That is minus comma plus. That means x values are less than 0, y values are greater than 0. If any ordered pair x is negative, y is positive, the ordered pair will locate in second quadrant. Now come to the third quadrant. Okay, always you should start from x. X values are negative, y values are also negative, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So these are negative values, these are negative values. Both x and y are negative. Okay, that means minus x and minus y. So both are minus. That means x values are less than 0, y values are also less than 0. If any point located like this, okay, both are minus, the point will lies in third quadrant. Now come to the fourth quadrant. So x coordinates is nothing but abscissa, is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, is positive. Y coordinates, that is ordinate, are negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. So x are positive, y are negative. Okay, x are positive, y are negative. That means plus comma minus. X values are greater than 0, y values are less than 0. Then the point will locate on fourth quadrant. So the entire Cartesian plane is divided into 4 quadrants by drawing x-axis and y-axis. Both x and y-axis are mutually perpendicular axis. The point of intersection is horizon, and here it is divided into anti-clockwise direction, q1, q2, q3, q4. In q1 both x and y are positive. In q2 x is negative, y is positive. In q3 both are negative. In q4 x is positive, y is negative. So this is the rule you have to follow when you locate any points in a coordinate plane. Okay, now we will discuss one example here. Some example points we will locate in a coordinate plane. First, A, 3, 5. So what is x? 3. What is y? 5. X is 3, y is 5. So both are positive or anything is negative here? Both are positive. Now see, in which quadrant it will go? Yes, quadrant 1. Both are positive. Now, first which one you should see? X, because it is an ordered pair. X 3, y 5. Where is x value is 3? Yes, here. And where is y value is 5? Here it is. Now the 3 line. This is 3 line. And this is 5 line. We are intersecting at here. Okay. So x point, x coordinate, abscissa is 3. Y coordinate, ordinate is 5. They are intersecting at a point A. So this is the location of A on a Cartesian plane. That is nothing but 3, 5. Suppose one more point, minus 2, 3. So you can see x is minus 2, y is 3. X is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive. Then this point B will lies in second quadrant. So where is minus 2 here? Okay, here this line is minus 2. Where is plus 3? Yes, this line is plus 3. Now here these two lines are intersecting. Okay, intersecting. Then this is the point B, minus 2, 3. Now, third point, C, 5 comma 4. This is X and this is Y. X is positive, Y is negative. Is it goes to third quadrant? No. Here both are negative. So X is positive, Y is negative. X is positive, Y is negative. So the point 5 comma minus 4 will lies in fourth quadrant. So now 5, this line 5 and 4. Okay, 5 comma minus 4. Here these 2 point lines are intersecting. So this is the point C. 5 comma minus 4. Now the last point D. Both are minus 4 comma minus 4. X is minus 4. Y is minus 4. X is negative axis. Y is negative axis. Both are minus. So the point D minus 4 comma 4 minus 4 will lies in third quadrant. So minus 4. And here it is minus 4. So this is the point D minus 4 comma minus 4. So when you look at a point like minus 2 comma 3 or minus 4 comma 4, first you should find out in which quadrant it will locate. Okay, and based on this rule, plus comma plus, minus comma plus, both are negative, and here first one is plus and second one is negative. By using this, you should locate a point on a Cartesian plane. And you need not draw these dotted lines on your graph paper. Okay, for your understanding purpose, I dropped these dotted line. Okay, you need not draw because already lines are there. You need to locate a point, a dot, and encircle them and name with a point like capital letters you should use A, B, C, D. Just for your understanding purpose, I used here, I marked the dotted lines. You need not draw. That is the first thing. Second thing, it's a graph paper. You should use only the pencil and scale. You should not use pen on the graph paper for writing even x-axis, y-axis, 0, whatever it may be. Okay, and here I am taking the values like I am leaving one line gap, one line gap, 2, like that. For my convenience, I taken here 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. That is nothing but it is called a scale. Okay, I used a different scale on this. Okay, how to write scale? On x-axis. Okay, on y-axis. Here I used 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. This is the scale I use to locate these points on a number line. You can, on your paper, okay, book, the graph paper won't be this much big. You can use one line, like 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Here, graph paper is such a big paper, that's why I used 2 centimeters is equal to 1 unit. Even scale also you should write with the pencil only. Do not use pen on the graph paper. Now, we'll locate these points. In the previous question and this question, if you observe, in the x coordinate and y coordinate, complete the. Now, we'll locate these points. In the previous question and this question, if you observe, in the x coordinate and y coordinate, complete they are numbers. Now, I introduced 0 here. Okay? The first one is 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. So, x is 4, y is 0. Now, if x is 4, this is x-axis, positive and negative. X is 4, so I am here. Suppose if y is not 0, imagine it is 6, then I should go plus 6 above. If x is 4, imagine it is not 0, this is some minus 5. then I should go down. Okay, if it is 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, if I am increasing, I should go like this. If 4 comma minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, I should go down. But it is 4 comma 0. So here, this point itself, it is showing 4 comma 0. 4 on x-axis, 0 on y-axis, 4 comma 0. So here, this point A, 4 comma 0, is it belongs to quadrant 1? Or is it belong to quadrant 4? No. This is the point is not belongs to quadrant 1 and it is not belongs to quadrant 4. It is lies on x-axis. Okay, 4 comma 0 does not belongs to quadrant 1 because as a part of quadrant 1, what you learn? X comma y. That means both are positive. Both are positive. That means x value is greater than 0, y value is greater than 0. If any point satisfies these two conditions, both x is positive, y is positive. Here it is 4 comma 0. 4 is positive, but 0 is neither positive nor negative. So A 4 comma 0 does not belongs to Q1 and does not belongs to Q4. It is lying on x-axis. So point on x-axis is 4 comma 0. Suppose if it is lies on here, then it is 7 comma 0, 9 comma 0, 10 comma 0, so on. What is the second point? Minus 5 comma 0. Here it is minus 5. Y coordinate is not there. So 0. Therefore, B minus 5 comma 0. So point on x-axis 4 comma 0, 7 comma 0, 10 comma 0. This side minus 2 comma 0, minus 5 comma 0, minus 9 comma 0. That means some number comma 0. Some number comma 0. Then we can say that point on x-axis is A comma 0. A can be positive or negative. A can be a real number. But the thing is that 0 is common. Okay? If ordinate is 0, ordinate A comma 0 and minus 5 comma 0. Minus 5 is known as abscissa. 0 is known as ordinate. If ordinate is 0, then the point lies on x-axis. Now, look at the point C, 0 comma 3. Okay, 0 on x-axis. Here it is C. This is x-axis. Here I am now 0. Now 3 I should go. This is 3. Suppose 0 comma 5, 0 comma 8. Then I should go like this. Now my point C is 0 comma 3. Okay, C 0 comma 3. Now is this point C is belongs to Q1 or belongs to Q2? No, it never belongs to Q1 and it never belongs to Q2 also because Q2 is negative x and positive y. That means minus comma positive. That means x value is less than 0, y value is greater than 0. 0 comma minus 3, x is less than 0. No, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So it does not satisfy minus x comma y and it is not satisfy x comma y. So C does not belongs to Q1 and does not belongs to Q2. So C is point on y-axis. Whereas D 0 comma minus 7. This is 0. So and it is minus 7. So D is 0 comma minus 7. Okay, some more points if you discuss, then this is 0 comma 8, then this is 0 comma 6, it is 0 comma minus 2 and it is 0 comma minus 5. Then simply we can write that is point on y-axis is 0, comma, a. So, in this point on y-axis, abscissa is 0. Y ordinate can be any real number. So, point on x-axis and point on y-axis. This is the way you have to look at on a graph paper.